In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix auto rotation not working on Samsung. There are various possible reasons that may contribute as to why auto rotation on our phone is sometimes not working. But the most basic way to troubleshoot this issue is to ensure that the auto rotation function is activated on our phone. So to do that, simply access the quick settings by swiping down. In here, we can see this portrait icon. When this is grayed out, it means that the auto rotation is not activated. Simply tap on this, and now we have activated the auto rotate function. To test, simply go to your screen and try moving your phone in a different direction. As you can see, auto rotation is now working. And that's about it. That's how to fix auto rotation not working on Samsung. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below and I'll do my best to help you out.